Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a mind-blowing story about a global pizza empire. You know it, you love it, but do you know how Domino's Pizza became the giant it is today? Buckle up because the story of Domino's Pizza is full of unexpected twists, innovation, and some serious risks. The journey starts in 1960, when two brothers, Tom and James Monahan, bought a small pizzeria in Ypsilanti, Michigan. At first, it was just a humble operation called Domino's. But as demand grew, so did their ambitions. In 1965, they changed the name to Domino's Pizza. This was just the beginning of their crazy ride. The real breakthrough came with a commitment to fast delivery. While other pizzerias took their time, Domino's offered 30-minute delivery, or your pizza was free. This bold move quickly made them a favorite, but it also sparked massive pressure to meet deadlines. And not everyone loved it. Some cities even tried to ban the 30-minute guarantee. Domino's didn't stop at just delivering pizza. In the 80s, they made a revolutionary move by introducing an innovative, efficient delivery system with specially designed cars to keep pizzas hot. They also expanded internationally, growing faster than anyone could have imagined. However, things weren't always easy. In the early 2000s, the company faced criticism for their pizza quality. Instead of backing down, Domino's took bold steps to reinvent themselves. They launched a campaign admitting their pizza was subpar, then revamped their recipe entirely. This honesty resonated with customers, and soon Domino's was back on top. Today, Domino's is a powerhouse in the pizza industry, with thousands of stores worldwide. From humble beginnings to global success, their journey proves that with innovation, determination, and the courage to admit mistakes, anything is possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more incredible stories like this one.